Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hello friends, looking at natural gas on the daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. Going to start with the 15-minute here to see how the inventory report reaction played out. So we were looking to buy a bearish reaction to the inventory report, and the reasoning for that was for the overall trend here, looking at the daily time frame, where we were coming from. So we're coming from an all-out dump, a very, very significant dump. So the fact that we've had a ton of bearish action and then just another extra push to the downside in reaction to the inventory report, that, in my opinion, is a recipe for traders getting over-emotional and pushing too significantly to the downside, getting oversold, and then a very quick short covering, bull buying the dip scenario ends up playing out. So let's look at it on the 15-minute time frame. We had a bullish run-up leading into the inventory report, and then a bearish dump. We dumped all the way down to 317.2, a very quick bounce back up to 325.6, pulled back. No 15-minute candlestick closed below 320, so we clearly built a base of support here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks all touching or dipping below and then closing above that level. You could see the range get tighter and tighter, and then the bulls completely took off to the upside, and there were huge gains to be made in NATGAS. So looking for a dip buying opportunity from oversold conditions certainly played out in this point. A bearish reversal doji here up at the top of the move, and then we consolidated. So where we stand now, we look at the hourly time frame, and we broke the high from before the inventory report of 330.05, and the high that we hit was 334.6. But I'm still watching this resistance, 3361, 3358. And until we can break that, the bears are still in control of this trend. Must break 3361 for the bulls. So you can see now it looks like we're forming a little bull flag of consolidation following that breakout. Bulls will need to see the bulls show back up and test that resistance level. Daily time frame is a bullish reversal candlestick. Need to see confirmation tomorrow to end the week. But the weekly time frame is not a bullish reversal candlestick just yet. We need that follow through, and ideally we need to see a close above that 361 level. We see we dipped on the low of the previous consolidation down to 329 and then closed above that 3361 level. Bulls want to close above that level again, and we do still have this uptrend line on the weekly time frame. The longer term uptrend will remain intact as long as this holds, so we could still pull all the way back down to $3. Well, obviously the bulls don't want to see that, but tomorrow's a big day. We either confirm the bullish reversal candlestick on the daily and see some further upside, or we do not, and we know the bears are still strong. So all about 3361 resistance and 320 support. That's the range to be watching right now. Hopefully some of you bought that dip and made some nice gains, and I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in over the weekend to see how we end this week. Thanks again.